Hi, good day. My name is Sherman Stewart, one of the head technicians at Pc Paramedics. Alright, we sent out a message yesterday informing you that you can have your laptop or desktop repaired for free over the internet. But what we did not do is release this video. So this video will show you how we go about doing that and the safety of your information on a whole. Alright, the program that we'll be using is Log Me In Rescue. Alright, we purchased a trial version of the program for testing purposes. So that is why we can offer it for free right now. Alright, now upon connecting with a technician via the phone, Facebook, Hotmail, any one of these, you will be asked to go to Log Me In 123. Alright, on the screen right now, that's Log Me In 123, and you'll be given a 6-digit code. Alright, so after you do that, after we give you the code, you enter it into the dialog box there, and then you click Connect to Technician. Then it will prompt you to download the applet. The applet is less than a megabyte, so it will download very fast. Now, do take into consideration that you don't need to have any special privileges on the machine to have this done. Alright, so you see it downloads really fast. It would only take less than about 30 seconds to download. Alright, so you download that, then it will do its magic, and this is the Log Me In Rescue applet up on your screen there. After you do that, it will prompt you to give me or any technician access to the machine. Once you say yes, we will have access to the machine. If you say no, we will automatically be disconnected and cannot connect whatsoever. So it's pretty safe. Alright, and once you click yes, we are in, and we can go ahead servicing your machine for free. So that was a quick look at how Log Me In Rescue works. Alright, now people, remember that this offer only runs for 1 week. Alright, so far you only have, well, we didn't count today, you only have 5 more days to get in on this best offer from Pc Paramedics. Alright, also remember that we are bringing out a very informative web show, Techno Junkies. Do not miss it. It is very, very informative, people. When I say that, I mean that. We will show you stuff that the technicians or the other companies don't want you to know. Alright, we will show you how simple it is. Alright, so this is Sherman Stewart out of Pc Paramedics telling you thanks for viewing this video, and I hope to connect with you soon. Do have a good day. God bless.